We have an open position on this, and it's for individual members to determine where they stand on it, and we won't be applying a whip. We've made that very clear all along. So that's where we stand.
So there won't be a policy, there won't be a commitment?
No, we don't envisage that there will, because we believe that individual members, have to make up their own mind, and there's nothing to stop a member of Renua introducing a private member's bill if they so choose, or indeed potentially a Renua Minister for Health introducing a bill with the support of government to hold a referendum on the 8th Amendment. But it will be up to individual members to vote according to their own conscience, and that's unique. All of the other parties don't allow freedom of conscience. They don't allow people to have their own ethical view on that issue. I believe it's really important that individual members of Parliament actually can have their own position on it, and that's very much part of the principle of Renua, that we encourage independent thinking, and we don't behave like sheep as they do in most of the other parties.
And would your position be not to repeal the 8th Amendment? Your personal position?
My personal position would be, although I have no difficulty with a referendum. I think a referendum might in fact be a helpful thing. I don't have a strong view one way or the other, but I very much have a strong view on the right to life. I think it's a human rights issue, and I've spoken about that at length in the past in the Dáil and elsewhere. So I think my position is fairly clear.
Absolutely, yeah.